my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Nodemcu module, that is Wi-Fi module. It is same as Arduino, but it can control by Wi-Fi. We can use this Nodemcu for many projects like Wi-Fi car and can make home automation with this module. It is same as Arduino, but it has an other function, that is Wi-Fi controlling function. We can make many projects with this module. For example, blink of light or Wi-Fi car or home automation. These projects can be made by this module. The cost of this module is 350 rupees. You can buy it in Amazon or in offline. In future, I will use this module and make many projects. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.